My name is Aaron. This is my Media Lab 3. I decided to change my Project 1. This project was about my experience in culinary arts program in my high school and about the state competition that me and two others participated in as a team. I'm thinking of remaking this project using the same technology as before, which was using Screencast-O-Matic over a PowerPoint of pictures displaying different topics I discussed. I'm thinking of recreating this project and making it more of a suspenseful story. The first edition of this project was a calm story that simply outlined my years of culinary, but I'm going to try and focus more on the state competition I participated in, and I'm going into great detail of some of the stress, preparation, and excitement of this competition. I'm going to try and implement some sound and music into the next project. This may be able to help me add a feel of suspense, tension, and excitement. I think this will be the best because the competition was very exciting and I felt all of these emotions leading up to and during the competition, as well as the feeling of relief after the competition was over, and the feeling of accomplishment when I looked back and saw what I was able to achieve. I want to remake this project as a suspenseful and exciting, and to do this, I think I'm going to exclude all or most of the backstory and lead up to the actual competition. This will include the introduction of my middle school backstory and most of my high school experience. I will focus mainly on the competition, which does include some high school experiences, but those experiences will be focused and related to the competition itself. I'm going to go into more detail of the preparation and detail and stress of the day of the competition. I'm most nervous about being able to accurately portray the emotions and intensity felt throughout the entire process of this competition. I know it's going to be hard to do this because it is likely that no one here was at the competition, let alone participated in the competition or any competition similar to it. The emotions were so strong, and I think it would be very difficult to show that in this project.